Because then when you go to this part right here, wait, that's stupid. It's not even.
Into him. So the goal over here is to provide a roadblock. So if your hero has a motive, you have to put obstacles in his way to make it difficult. It can't be so easy as going from A to B. So this is the first obstacle.
This is the part right
He
now.
sees a clear path, but from out of nowhere, the stranger comes.
Homeboy.
Is not letting him go.
Bruh.
There's a little back into here, a couple of lines of dialogue, but somehow the hero manages to escape.